Today we're gonna make jelly. Okay, now let's get started. Okay guys, this is from Nutrijell because we need only water and sugar. Now we're gonna put 3 cups of water. Let's put one carefully. Now we put 1 cup of sugar. Let's put it in. Now let's put the jelly powder. Let's turn on the heat. And let's take this spoon. Slowly. Okay, I'm still spinning it. Let's wait until it's boiling. It's turning purple, you guys. Did you see it? Yay! It means it's almost done. This is great. Look, it is boiling a little bit. Oh, there you go. Did you see it's popping? It's boiling, you guys. Look, it is popping. Watch out. It's hot, okay, guys? Now let's turn off the heat. We need to wait 3 minutes. Let's start the timer. Now the time is over. Now let's put this. Now let's mix it. Now it's time to pour. We need to pour more. Whoa, it's done. It's almost done. That's so. Okay, guys. Now let's put it in the freezer. I want to take it. Oh, where's the hot? Here it is, guys. That it just been cold. Now let's take one and this is not the grape one. This is the strawberry flavor. It feels yummy. Of course. You want to try it? Here you go. Thank you for watching our pudding video and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and stay healthy and don't forget to rise up. Bye! I want to go to the next channel now. Shoo!